Hey guys, this is Danny here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. We got a unique trade-in this week. This is a 2022 Sea-Doo Switch. The model is a Sport 21. It's actually kind of a cool boat. You know, it's like a jet ski, but it just has this boat, you know, similar. The whole thing is like a boat being out on the water or anything. It's actually pretty fun. It'd be a great, ride for the kids if you have a lake house or something. Maybe a little safer than just a regular jet ski, a little bit more protection. Has a little Bimini top there. It's got 230 horsepower, so it runs really good. Come on up here in the front. It comes with this trailer, and it's got easy access with these steps. Come up here in the back, you got a nice little seating area that kind of wraps around here, a couple of cup holders. This boat actually comes with a GPS as well. This boat only has, I think, 56 hours on it, so it's really not been used very much. Nice little area to lay out up here in the front on the, on this little pad and everything. If you want more information, please contact us here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.